So let's do a quick box opening to end the night. I've now not only am a card collector and a coin collector, but I am definitely into the silver and gold. This is an odd box. And I'm trying to make at least a couple purchases a week in the I guess the metals area. I am a believer in buying silver. Gold is kind of overpriced right now and priced out of most people's budget at $3,000 an ounce. I got that for this. So my goal personally on the, not the coin side and stuff, but like the silver side, is I want to eventually I want to collect and essentially stack my weight in silver. So like my body weight in silver. Kind of a goofy goal, but what the hell. So he's a big duck hunter. From the rod and gun collection. Try to hold it still. Have the camera actually focus. He's gonna like that. Oh yeah. Yep. Nope. I'm a stacking. He's gonna like that. And then I got him the holder in the box. Like I said, my goofy personal goal is going to be to someday say, hey, I've got my body weight in silver. Maybe next week, maybe by next week, I'm going to have a really cool piece that I'm going to be opening up. But I wanted to open this up tonight, before my son got home, because it's essentially part of his Easter present. And, you always want, hard to hold this still. You always want that on anything you get. I might have to get one of these myself, just for myself. Kane Shaker, what's up? You just missed what, Coach? An hour, maybe more, of going through 1955 pennies? And finding nothing? And then what? Probably 3 minutes of going through Wisconsin quarters? Coaches, when you asked you're a stacker too, am I assuming you are also of the mindset? Or are you saying that as you're a stacker too, like all the other crazies? Did you do the math on that, coaches, already? I've never done the math, but... Okay, so you weren't really implying it either way. So, I mean, a lot of people don't, you know, I guess ask me, but I have a firm belief that before you do any shiny designer cardboard, and before I really spend any in that arena, I make sure I'm putting my money into, I say silver or gold. I say silver because I'm a bigger fan of silver, and gold is so expensive, but I say you better be doing silver or gold. So I put my money in several different places before cards. This is before designer cardboard, shiny designer cardboard. Silver, land, firearms, and then like stock investing. And then after I've put a little bit of money in each of those in whatever interval, you know, once a month or whatever, then I go into my cards. Geez, the case even makes it look nicer. I mean, the camera probably sucks, but he'll like it. I mean, I think you gotta, like I said, and I'm not really that much of that prepper type, but I still think there's other things you need to be putting your money into before shiny designer cardboard. So that's pretty cool. But I've got a cool piece of silver coming probably later this week. If I get a chance to get on during the evening sometime, I'll definitely open up that. It's a little, not a whole lot bigger. A little bit bigger piece of silver. All right, what is that? I'm over 2 hours. I'm 2:15. That's good enough for a stream for the night. Spend an hour looking at pennies. I do like that coin though. I don't know if I like the obverse. Or the reverse better. I think I like the duck better. There's actually a bass that I'm gonna get from this same series for myself because he's the duck hunter. I'm much more the bass fisherman, so